Hello to all, I am Vishnu. So in this video, I am going to talk about LinkedIn, and I'll be talking two important things. Number one, how you can improve your visibility, your connection, your network through the posts and activities that you post in LinkedIn. And number two, how to improve your job hunt. Now, I have been using LinkedIn for 1.5 years or more than that. But actually, the real activity that I performed was from May 12 or something. I don't remember exactly. It was a Sunday last year. And it was actually a screenshot of a conversation that I had with someone regarding the issues of PharmD education, learning system, and all these things. And that actually became a hit. A lot of people liked that post, a lot of people, commented on it. And then I understood that when you post things of your own individuality or something, you actually get noticed. So this is the first point that I want to say. Whenever you post something on LinkedIn, please make sure it is your own individuality. The simplest mistake that we always do is we copy paste somebody's post and we post it on our profile. So what happens? It looks like a repost, it looks like a sharing or something. Now that is not bad because LinkedIn has provided options for that. And if it is something that is really authentic, if it is something that is really amazing, then you should do that. So many authentic things are there, so many amazing things are there, which should actually go viral. But don't do everything like that. So some things should be of your own content. Now LinkedIn is considered to be a professional website because we have so many MDs, we have so many chief executive officers, we have entrepreneurs, we have professionals from different departments. So it is actually considered to be professional, but we can actually post informal things also. For example, like I am a blogger. I like train journeys a lot. So I go from one place to another. I record individual stations, some beautiful scenery, sunset and all these things. I just mash it up in the 10-minute limit and I post it along with good captions. So if you have some other hobbies, you can post that. Again, it is your individuality. So you have a good chance of getting noticed. You are not copying somebody's hobby. It is your own individuality. So you will get noticed. When it comes to professional, especially if you are from pharmacy practice background, please make sure that whatever you are posting is your own individuality. What I see is people have a habit of, sharing things, but they don't create their own content. So, there is a very famous quote which says that we are usually consumers, but we are not creators. Once you have the habit of creation, then definitely you will get noticed. Now, what I did is I usually create my own quotes. I make my own notes. Sometimes some snapshots of that I post on LinkedIn. And I have seen that people have responded pretty well. So it is through my own experience that I am sharing with you, right? And you can, connect to people, you can talk to them, and always make sure that you give a positive aura to people as much as possible. But it doesn't mean that you should run after impressing everyone. That doesn't make any sense because when you try to impress people, you are not original completely. But if you are an expressive person, that means you are an original person because you are portraying or showcasing your individuality. So you can connect with a lot of people. You can learn about what they are doing in their life or maybe in their careers, what are their plans. So it is an amazing platform. LinkedIn is an amazing platform where you can connect to a lot of professionals all over the world and you can socialize yourself. But please make sure in order to get noticed, in order to attract people towards you, make sure you create content of your own individuality. It should be your own content and the proportion of copy pasting things and your own content should be very, very drastically different. So please make sure of that. Now let's come to job hunt. Now even I had done that, but that actually I had posted my CV for reference purpose. But maybe in future I may post my CV with an open to work tag. You know very well open to work. That means you are open for job opportunities. Now what I have seen is many people post their CVs. Okay, or maybe their resumes on social media and a lot of people commenting for better reach, CFBR, like that, they keep on commenting. But what I believe, what I have seen in some people's posts is that when you post your CV and maybe you put a caption or something, and if you put the proper hashtags, there are chances that you may get noticed by many recruiters. Because there are a lot of recruiters who actually have their official LinkedIn handle, and when you put hashtags, there is always a chance that you may get noticed in the first place. So I have seen somebody who posted their CV and they wrote their captions like I am looking for job opportunity in this field. If there are any opportunities, please let me know. And they have put hashtags of companies or hospitals or maybe colleges or whatever they wish to work in. And I have seen that many hospitals and many companies, just because that hashtag was there, I saw that, just because that hashtag was there, they commented on that. So thanks for reaching out to this. Please click on this link and all these things. But again, please be very careful when you are searching for jobs in social media. It is always good that you personally try to contact the HR department of that company or maybe something like that, so that you get authentic information, because that will give you the best information that you actually need. Because there are a lot of scammers also around, so we need to be careful about that. We need to be vigilant about that. Now, what happens is when you post your CV, obviously it will be in JPG format. Maybe you're posting a picture kind of, or maybe it will be in PDF format. So what happens is obviously your contact number will be there in that. So there will be many scammers who will try to, use that number and try to bluff you into something else. Lot of people will say that, okay, we will give you job in this department. You have to pay this much amount of money so that we fix an interview or something like that. Please remember, you don't need to pay any amount of money to anybody to attend an interview. There is nothing like that. I have given so many interviews in my life. I never had to pay money. This is terribly illogical. So if somebody is telling you like that, that means they are somewhere scammers. So please don't fall in such traps, because we need people who speak like this. So from my own experience and what people around me experienced, that is what I'm sharing with you. Please make sure that you make your own individuality and create content. And it can be just a note. Maybe, for example, you uploaded a slide in SlideShare. SlideShare is a website where you can upload your PPTs, your notes. You can check out my SlideShare account. I have so many uploads in that. Or maybe it can be your achievement in which maybe you have finished an online course. Or maybe it can be your achievement in which you have done a publication. Try to give a attractive caption so that, don't simply write, I have finished this, like that. Try to put some caption into it so that people can also realize that, yes, you know something about it, rather than you are simply posting it as a formality. So it is in your communication skills, it is in the proper hashtags, it is in, the way you socialize with people that you get noticed. Because in this 8 odd months of my activity, I have around 3,100 plus followers and so many connections. So I believe that I am not a great person. I am a person who literally knows nothing, and I am learning day to day a lot of things. But if I can achieve this, then definitely I believe that all of you can achieve this. And it will improve your chances of employability, because you will get noticed. And definitely social networking is very important. So many things we learn from people. I learn from a lot of people on a daily basis, and I'm very happy to contribute to the goodwill of a lot of people as well. So these were 2 points that I wish to elaborate on. Number 1, how to improve your sociability, how to improve your network connections and your communication, how to make the proper posts. And number 2, how to improve your job hunt. So put the proper hashtags, reach out to people in a proper way, channelizing manner, then definitely your chances of employability will be very high. So that's it from this video. I hope you have got substantial knowledge from my experience and from many people whom I am in touch with. If you have any doubts, then please contact me. You can share me your CV in the WhatsApp number in the description that I'll be posting below. Thanks a lot. See you in the next video. Until then, it's bye.